welcome back to my channel. If you're going out this weekend and want to add some glam to your makeup with a glitter cut crease, watch this video to see how I achieve this look, using colors that work super well for black women. For beauty tips and step-by-step instructions on how to achieve cute makeup looks, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I post a video every week. If you're tired of wearing the same old eyeshadow looks every time you go out, by the end of this video, I'll teach you how to spice it up with a little bit of glitter. I wore this eyeshadow look a few weekends ago and got so many compliments and questions about which glitter I use. So without further ado, let's jump right on in. Okay guys, so we're going to be starting with one eye already done. First we're going to prime with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. And I'm just going to take this and dot it on the eye and then blend it out with my Sigma E39 brush. And I want to get this all over the lid, in the crease and, all over the eye, on the crease and on the lid. Once that's all smoothed out, we're going to go into the Natasha Denona Holiday 02 Aeries palette. This is the same palette that I used for the Coachella look, except for this time we're going to go into this color in the middle, and it's called Burnt Terracotta. And I'm going to be applying that color with my Morphe M514 brush. And as I'm blending it out, as I get to the outer edge, I'm going to just go ahead and flick it out and make kind of like a wing with the shadow. I really just love these burnt orange shades for the lid, for the crease, especially for blending, because they're just perfect for my skin tone. I feel like they're perfect for these colors right here is what I'm talking about. I feel like they're perfect for just darker skin tones, for melanated girls, for black girls. We're going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Granola. And I'm going to be applying that with my Morphe M17 4SH brush. It's a nice, short, small brush. It's going to really make sure that I have a lot of control over where the crease is cut.
So what's your favorite product to cut the crease with? Is it a concealer? Is it an eyeshadow base? Let me know down in the comments below what's your favorite product to cut the crease with.
It's crazy every time. This one's just perfect, and the other one is a struggle crease, a struggle cut crease every time. I swear. One day I'm gonna do both of them on camera so that you guys can see how much I struggle on the other side. Like, sometimes I'm in tears. This video just isn't gonna work. I'm gonna have to try again tomorrow. Alright, now I'm going into the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I'm going to pack the shade Eden onto the lid. The Desert Dust palette is also a really good palette for transition shade. It has a lot of good shades that women of color can use in their crease. For instance, Blazing, Saffron, Oud, Amber, and Eden are all really, really good shades that blend really, really well for darker skin tone women. So if you're looking for a palette that has a lot of variety in terms of things that you can use in the crease, you should definitely hit up that Desert Dusk. Going into that shade Eden and just packing it all over the lid. And this is a Sigma E55. Being very careful around the edges and where the cut crease is. If you need to, you can go in with a smaller brush in that area. But the good thing about this is that we're gonna put glitter where the cut crease is, so it doesn't have to be super perfect, but if you're ever not using anything to hide the cut crease, then you wanna be super careful. All right, now for the fun part. We're gonna go in with some glitter. This is the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Bronzed Belle. And I'm going to be using a Sigma E65 brush to apply the glitter. Now it's time to line the eyes. Today I'm using a brown liner instead of black. Yes, brown. And I'm gonna go in with the Tarte eyeliner in color brown. Before I apply my falsies, I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I like to apply mascara to make sure that my lashes blend with the falsies. For lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Lily Lashes in style Twin Lash. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera. If you'd like to see a video about how I apply my foundation, you can find that right here. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I'm back. And we're going to go ahead and finish the under eyes. I'm going to smoke this terracotta color under my lower lash line. And I'm using a Dose of Colors pencil brush. And to blend it a little bit more, I'm going to be going in with the Luxie pencil brush. And it's clean, there's no product on it. And I'm just trying to blur out those lines so that there's no demarcation. I'm going to line my waterline with the Lancome Les Stylo waterproof eyeliner. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to be going in with the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. All right, everybody, so this is the final look. Now you know how to achieve a cute but simple glitter cut crease. If you like this makeup look, let me know by liking it down below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. And share it with your fellow makeup lovers. Let me know down in the comments if this video was helpful to you. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and follow all these social media sites.